The ultimate passive income hack: stop scrolling. What if I told you that empty driveways and parking spaces could become a steady income stream without you owning a single car? This hidden business idea is helping people make over $1,000 per month with zero investment. We're talking about turning something everyone has, space, into straight cash. Imagine turning an unused driveway or parking spot into passive income just by connecting drivers in need of parking with people who have extra space. With parking demand skyrocketing, this might be the easiest money you've ever made. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start this low-effort, high-profit business and begin earning today. Alright, let's break this down. Why is this the perfect business right now? First off, huge demand. Big cities, small towns everywhere is struggling with parking. People are spending hours circling the block, getting parking tickets. It's insane. They're desperate for affordable, accessible spots, and they're willing to pay for it. Second, homeowners and businesses have unused space just sitting there. Driveways, office parking lots, that weird patch of grass behind the building. It's all potential cash, people. And the best part, you don't even need to own it. You're just connecting the dots. Third, zero upfront cost. That's right, no inventory, no maintenance, no employees to pay. Just you, some hustler spirit, and a phone. So, you've got high demand, unlimited supply, and a service everyone needs. What are you waiting for? Forget building expensive parking garages. This business is all about renting out existing spaces, and it's way easier than you think. Step 1. Find empty parking spaces. Look around your neighborhood, talk to people, check out local businesses. Step 2. List them online. There are tons of apps and websites specifically for renting parking spots, or you can create your own listings on social media, local forums, even put up flyers. Step 3. Take a commission on every booking. You're the middleman, the connector. You set the price, handle the bookings, and keep a percentage of every transaction. Most people charge between 10 to 20%, but you can adjust based on demand and location. Step 4. Offer monthly or daily rates. Want to maximize your profits? Offer long-term rentals for premium prices. Businesses love the reliability, and you get a consistent stream of passive income. It's a win-win. And the best part? This is completely scalable. Start small with just a few spaces in your neighborhood, then as you start making money, reinvest it back into the business. Alright, let's run the numbers on a small operation and see the potential profits. Imagine you've got 5 homeowners in a decent neighborhood, each renting out their driveway for $150 per month. That's $750 per month right off the bat. Now let's say you've got 10 businesses in a busy downtown area, each willing to rent out a couple of spaces for $100 per month. Boom, that's another $1,000 per month. But wait, there's more. Let's say you're also listing spaces for daily rentals, maybe near a stadium or event center. If you can get just 100 daily bookings at an average of $15 per day, with a 15% commission, that's another $1,500 plus per month. The more spaces you list, the more bookings you get, the more money you make. And remember, you don't own the spaces, you're just connecting people and collecting your cut. It's literally free money. Let's be real, people love passive income ideas, especially ones with zero startup cost. Imagine the headlines: college student makes $5,000 a month renting driveways in spare time, or mom turns parking spot into passive income stream, pays off mortgage early. Everyone hates parking, it's a universal struggle. This business provides a valuable service that people are desperate for. Second, there's no physical work involved. You're not out there painting lines or towing cars. You're just managing listings and collecting payments. Third, anyone can start this. It doesn't matter if you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just looking for a side hustle. This is something you can do with just a phone and some hustle. This is the future of parking, people, and it's happening now. Don't be the one kicking yourself later for not getting in on the ground floor. Alright, you're convinced. You want to get in on this action. So, how do you start making money with this idea today? It's simpler than you think. Step 1. Find people in your area with unused parking spaces. Talk to your neighbors, post on local Facebook groups, get creative. Step 2. Offer to list their spots on rental platforms for a commission. Explain how it works, how much money they could make, and how you'll handle everything for them. Step 3. Advertise to drivers who need parking spaces. Use social media, flyers, online classifieds, anything to get the word out. Highlight the convenience, affordability, and security of your parking options. Step 4. Scale by signing up more space owners and increasing bookings. As you start making money, reinvest it back into the business. This isn't just a side hustle, it's a passive income machine with unlimited potential. The more effort you put in up front, the more you can automate and scale, and the more money you can make. Alright, you've heard my spiel, now it's your turn. Are you ready to turn empty driveways into stacks of cash? I want to know who's serious about making some serious money. If you're ready to try this passive income hack, smash that like button right now. Let's show the algorithm who's ready to hustle. And for a limited time only, I'm giving away my free guide, Parking Profits, your step-by-step guide to renting driveways and making bank. Just comment Parking Profits down below, and I'll send it straight to your inbox. Subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell because I'm dropping even more game-changing business ideas, automation hacks, and money-making strategies every single week. Parking is a goldmine, people, and the time to strike is now. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to create a passive income stream that could change your life. Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy R. Thanks for watching that video. I know, Mr. Beast talking about parking spaces? Sounds crazy, right? But trust me, this stuff is legit. It's easy, it's scalable, and the best part is, you can do it from anywhere in the world. Imagine just chilling on a beach somewhere, sipping on a coconut, while your parking empire makes you bank. So what are you waiting for? Go out there, find some empty driveways, and start cashing in. And hey, if you make your first million from this, hit me up, maybe we'll do a collab or something. Peace out.